So let's start this WIEN2K installation, which is a simulation software for solid-state unit cell. So as we know that in the unit cell there are less number of atoms. So basically, this software is atom dependent software. So let's try to do this. So I will show you how it works. Okay, so let me check. Okay, so CD WIEN2K, and so the directory is already open, and ls means list the files or directory in that folder or directory. Okay, so I will start from the star command, star minus xvf, and WIEN2K dot tar. So let's see. So it is star, so then gunzip star dot gz, and then dot expand lab. So yes, well, now the next step is this site config underscore. So continue, and here we need to select specify a system. So in this system we need to check G for transfer. We will press this V command. Here in the screen you can see this is the V command. So we will type V because we need G for Tron compiler. So enter to continue, and here we will write a recommended setting for F90 compiler is G for Tron. So current selection is F90. So use compiler, so G for Tron. G for Tron. Remember that here the tab button is not working. CC, okay, hit continue, hit enter to continue, and selection. So here we will select the R. So here you can see R, this R command. So we will type here R, R. For library, so here you can see in front of R, this is the library. Okay, so I will copy this and paste here in front of it. Paste. So hit enter to continue. And after R, S. So we will put S. Okay, enter. And then Y. And again, no. And Q. Okay, and here A. So here you can see after A is completing, so it will compile all the programs. One. Okay, so this way the first step we prepare that tab is compiled and installed. So in the second video we will do the same for this WIEN2K executable.tar file. Okay, so Thank you very much for your time.